Okay, so hi guys, I'm just leaving work and we decided to go to this sandwich and pastry bar. We can call it that? Okay, so the owner of this pastry and sandwich bar is one of our friends. So yeah, we should have been tested out this place, but we didn't get the chance, so no, we're going to do so. So yep, let's go. I'm leaving work. We're about to get a taxi. When we get there, I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so guys, we're at the spot. We are basically going to put our order in. Just scrolling on Instagram to see what is like the other stuff on here. So I know for a fact that I would want to get like a sandwich, and I know for a fact that I want to get pastries. So yep, I am gonna try and get like one of everything. Hopefully I can do it like that, or yeah, but oh, corn dog. Me just said that. They say no. What? So guys, I ordered a good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hi. I ordered a chicken wrap combo with blueberries smoothie. Okay, so guys, like I was saying, I ordered a chicken wrap combo. That's supposed to be a wrap that comes with fries. Then I ordered a blueberry smoothie along with a Oreo cheesecake, a squared Oreo cheesecake. So yeah, that's my order. Hi YouTube family. So I'm a vlogger today. So we're gonna be trying the corn dog. They said it's 10 minutes before it is ready. We're waiting for it. So that's that. Okay guys, so the corn dogs are ready. So she is putting that's ketchup, cheese, and what's that, mayo? And mayo on them. So when it comes, she got it. She can't wait to watch the video. She still don't watch me. I embarrass myself. Why? No, listen to me. I'm not a blogger. Everything no one funny. Everything. Good afternoon. Rafaya is coming with the orders. What does you have in a bag? The 4 water brownies. Let me see brownies. Weed brownie. No regular bro. Weed brownie. You smell it. It smells like a sausage. Como chica, video, quando me video. Since the video me while me the vlog, I shall be videoing you. Yeah, laugh for me, sir. What is that? Like yeah, we're trying with the more thing. Eh? And I like it. Mama polar and just like them put the sugar in our flour.
I didn't want to tell you that.
I'm trying to say I saw me to school.
I mean, do it food, you know.
Actually, I do food.
Do food?
I do not. When we saw the shot, one leg bigger than one.
This guy, man.
Yeah, man, this guy. Oh, cheese the inside too. Okay, guys, look. There's cheese on the inside. Rafi, come here for
You feel good jam with it. I just jam with
Rafi is blurry. Why is it so blurry? I don't know if he was phone, you know. Yeah, it's a count. Oh, see, it get clear now. Has cheese in it. It get clear now. I'm trying to give you something now. Yeah, wipe out everything out of the box. Let me do 50. Nah, left no ketchup.
So this one slide down on the foot. Slide.
What is that one here?
Slide. Come on, chicken meat in my mouth.
You know what this is? What's the way that we kids yourself?
You're not going to find it.
Me? I wipe out all of the ketchup. Nah, left no. Wipe out everything.